Mint Mobile versus T-Mobile, which is better? Let's look into the video. So, as of 2025, both these Mint Mobiles and T-Mobile, they are both operate on T-Mobile's extensive 5G network, so they use the same network. They offer similar coverage. Only difference is that in the pricing and plan structure. So, in terms of like plan type, Mint Mobile, they offer prepaid, so it's only prepaid service. Whereas T-Mobile, you have the prepaid and postpaid options. Okay, the price range varies from $15 to $40 per month for Mint Mobile, and for T-Mobile, it's around $60 to $100 per month. Okay, and the data options you have like around 5 gig to unlimited on Mint Mobile. You have those options, and it requires an upfront payment from 3 to 12 months. Okay, whereas on T-Mobile, it's the data option is 50 GB unlimited, and there's no upfront payment. It's monthly billing option is available. Okay, so this Mint Mobile, it's a bit, it offers budget friendly plans with prices starting as low. Okay, but it requires a upfront payment, so it's making it ideal for users seeking cost effective options without the need for credit checks. Whereas T-Mobile, on the other hand, it provides a range of postpaid and prepaid plans, but these plans include additional perks like streaming services, international roaming, and all those things. Okay, so I would say that Mint Mobile is best for, it's ideal for budget conscious users who don't require extensive perks and are comfortable with prepaid plans. Whereas T-Mobile, on the other hand, is best for users seeking comprehensive features including high data allowance, streaming services, and international roaming. Okay, so if you prioritize affordability and are comfortable with prepaid plans, then I would suggest just go with Mint Mobile because it offers excellent value without compromising on coverage. However, if you desire a more extensive range of features and are willing to invest in additional perks, then you can go with T-Mobile as it provides a comprehensive suite of services to meet diverse needs. And that's pretty much it is. Hope the video was helpful. I will see you all in a new video.